Today, guys, how to get an airplane avatar in Roblox. Don't mind the sound in the background. Please, no hate. First, don't mind that. That was wrong. First, equip the boy torso. But don't worry about the. And equip the boy left arm and the right arms. Let me switch. Sorry guys, I just want to switch. And keep with the man legs. Go to accessories. Back. Equip these wings by Sunsilk. You need to have the office place completed. Get these wings. Also, one small missing detail. It is the face. Equip this face. Now it looks like you're flying. And now you look like an airplane. Enjoy your avatar.